Hey, Peter Holtz, CPA here, with the ABCs of tax planning for business owners. And really, A was accuracy, B is budget. So you really want to look at a budget and what you're expected to do in 2019 or 2020, as the case may be. So you can really put together your tax plan to understand how much profit you're going to have, what you're going to put in capital. Are you going to buy new vehicles? Are you going to buy more equipment? Are you going to invest in new buildings? What are you really going to do that has an impact to your tax plan? It is so critical. Taxes are such a big part of your bottom line. I mean, just last week I met with a guy who was structured improperly. He was a Schedule C and he should have been incorporated, and he, as a really result, because of the money he was making, on roughly about $80,000 of his income, he was paying pretty close to 46% marginal tax rate. So when the government is taking 46 cents on every dollar that you make, it's a problem. I mean, it takes away from money you could be reinvesting from your business, and it takes away from your growth. I mean, we are all capitalists. We all grow our business based on the money we have to invest in the business. And that's really important for you to monitor and try to take a stab at what you're going to do in the future. And indeed, having goals in anything. I mean, anybody, whoever wants to be successful, any success coach that you check out there or look online, what do they all talk about? They all talk about goal setting. They all talk about aiming in a specific direction. And that's really part of budgeting, and it really weaves its way into the tax plan. If you think your sales are going to go up, what do we need to do? How do we need to be a C corporation? Do you need to be an S corporation? Do you need to be an LLC? What do you need to do? Those are always the questions. So you always want to think about what you're going to do this week, this month, next year, next month, whatever, in order to properly tax plan. Peter Holtz, CPA, tax planning for business owners.